how to use Cara app. So here is just an overview from me. I registered in this app a few days ago, and then it's kind of popped up in the top charts, which is crazy. It's going viral on TikTok, and the idea of this app, as I understand it, is just my subjective view, is that this is kind of like Instagram for job search for artists. And it's, yeah, so that's basically the idea. It's a social networking and portfolio platform for artists by artists. Connect with peers and followers, share your work, and find industry jobs from AIA and award-winning studios. Tired of AI-generated content? Our AI detector automatically filters out AI images from user portfolios. And then, yeah, you can just share images, GIFs, and embed videos and sketch fab links. AI image detector, so you can find non-AI art easily. Customize what shows up on your home feed. Glaze project to protect your images from style mimicry. Keep track of people you meet at events with QR meets. Job listings from AI and award-winning studios. Direct messages. So, pretty good idea. Discover art by pros and hobbies from around the globe. So I guess this app is like very nice idea for basically designers and art creators. If you just have some art, you can just showcase on this app, and it looks very similar to Instagram or Twitter. And then you probably can get hired. So yeah, it's a mix of Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, something around that. So then you can just open the app, and it's a good idea to create your account now, because you can still reserve some really nice username until like millions of people start to flood. So I was lucky to reserve my first name username here, which is pretty cool. And then that's basically how it looks like. Here's the feed. It's like a Twitter feed. You just refresh it, and then you just, yeah, that was my post. I'll just try to put, and then you can just see all the people posting their like artwork, some design sketches, things like that. And then it's already getting a lot of likes, a lot of commentary. Here is so cool art. And then, yeah, a lot of artists, a lot of designers. I didn't even know that there are so many people who are just interested in graphic design or artwork. And yeah, here you can just see that. And some of the creators of this app actually showing that, in the past few hours, 300,000 users already signed up, and it keeps growing. So there is a huge interest to that. And then, yeah, here you just can see a lot of different art and see how it looks like. Comment on that, share a link to that. Then you can just search by, here by different art, and it looks like Instagram. Then there are messages, then there is like notifications, and then there is your profile. In your profile, in about section, you can set up full-time, part-time, contract, freelance, or internships. So you can just set it up here, just so people can hire you. So that's like an interesting part of the app, where it's not just like Instagram for art, but it's also real companies can hire you. I don't know how legit is that yet. Like, people are a bit questioning, can you get hired by Meta or like Amazon or like Microsoft from this, like, I mean, just some big corporation or like nice job from this app, or it's mostly just some small freelance gigs. I don't know, but maybe if this app goes and grows, it can be really nice. Then you have your portfolio tab on your profile. To be honest, I don't know how to fill it in. If you edit your profile, you can see that you can change your profile view, settings, post, or portfolio. And then you can also add in white code. Basically, there are two types of profiles in this app. There is like a community profile and portfolio. They're basically the same, but just portfolio has this kind of verification badge. It means that someone confirmed that you are an artist, or basically then you can invite other users to that. I'm just in the very simple account. Here you can just play around and figure out what's the way to showcase your skills and your work. And then here you have settings. You can again edit your profile. You can system information. You just see it here. Well, yeah, invite friend. You currently have a community account. To invite a friend, you need a portfolio account. So that's different. Then this feature is Glaze. It's a system designed to protect human artists by disrupting style mimicry in the training of generative AI models. So here, yeah, you can just see that yeah, that's basically just to protect and know which images are AI generated and which are not. If you're not happy, you can always go and delete your account in the bottom. Here you can also see muted users and blocked users. So it's exactly like Twitter or Instagram app. And then yeah, you can just go and read some frequently asked questions. What is Cara for? Cara account types, issuing and applying invite codes. Is there a mobile app? So we do not plan to host AI art unless the rampant ethical and data privacy issues around that are resolved via regulation. So here, one of the reasons why this app is going viral, because it just says, does Cara protect me from AI scraping? Unlike other major artist portfolio websites and image sharing platforms, Cara automatically implements no AI tags to images uploaded by default. These tags are intended to tell AI scrapers not to scrape from Cara. However, no image that is publicly visible on the internet can be fully protected from unethical scraping. So no AI tag acts like a digital door lock, telling unwanted visitors do not enter. On our platform, the door is always locked by default without any extra effort on action from you. And then another thing is like there is AI detection. So here it is. That's basically the idea of the app, and there are no NFTs in Cara app at the moment. How can I help? Yeah, you can reach out team at Cara app for additional things. But I guess one of the things here is that if you upload your images here, there is at least some level of protection from scraping by AI. So that's a really great feature. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. Pretty nice app. So if you're a graphic designer or artist trying to sell your work or get some publicity, get some audience, grow your audience, that's definitely an interesting app right now. And I would really suggest you at least go and create your account when you can, because you can reserve still a very nice username with your first name, as I did. So that's the positive thing when you register in this app very early. Maybe it will the virality will go down a bit, and maybe then it will return back. Who knows? But yeah, you can just create a free account super easily. And okay, by the way, to create a post, you can just tap on the blue icon in the bottom, and then you can just add some images, and that's how you do it. I still have some questions, how exactly, to add my post to portfolio, why it's that not working. Like if I view my profile, why there is nothing in the portfolio. There is timeline and there is portfolio. I'm just a bit confused. How do I add these two to my portfolio? Okay, so then I just added to portfolio in the bottom. Right, so here it is. And then when you're posting, you can see title, you can see project type, category, software used, and all of the things. So yep, that's the idea of the app. Try it out. I don't know whether it's available on iOS, on Android. I think it is. So give it a try.